Hello? Hi. Hello? Hi. Are we still together? Yes. Mr. Chairman, sir, please, this is actually the act of this graduating ceremony. They are not coming to take their certificates because they have merited it. So we will call them one after the other to come for their certificates. Thank you.
Thank you, sister. We'll start with the first person on this list. Achu Patricia Takam. A round of applause as they come out to get that. You move behind the camera, please. Achu Patricia Takam. The second person is Anom Njine Nja. Please can we clap for them as they come. Anom Njine Nja. The third is Ansa Mary Essien. Ansa Mary Essien. Ansa Mary Essien. The fourth is Andra Yang Effium. Please let's clap for them, please. It's not been easy. 6 years. Whether the devil liked it or yes, today was meant to happen. And it has happened. Her Royal Majesty, Ayahu Oluchi Esther, was the outgone Queen of Marian Villa. The sixth person, Asigbo Kon Rose Effiong. Seventh, Asukwo Elma Francis. Asukwo Elma Francis. The eighth person, Ataben Uke Isaac. Ataben Uke Isaac. Please, you know how your names are arranged to get ready. The next is Ayuk Delight Besson. Ayuk Delight Besson is next. We have Basi Goswill Felix. Basi Goswill Felix. We have Besson Keje Odu. Besson Keje Odu. Followed by Coca Pearl Stephanie. Coca Pearl Stephanie. We are still expecting Ayuk Delight. We have Daniel Abigail Nse. Daniel Abigail Nse. We have Edith Danieli Isurise. Edith Danieli Isurise. If you want to know, the JS2 student that was giving all those folk lyrics in Efik language, that's the senior sister. We have Edith Mbang Egbo. Edith Mbang Egbo, followed by Edo Queenet Emmanuel. Edo Queenet Emmanuel. We have Effiong Peace Augustine. Effiong Peace Augustine. Egbeji Precious Ome. Egbeji Precious Ome. Egbon Esther Ogenyede. Egbon Esther Ogenyede. Ejon Trinity Patrick. JP. Enna Benita Nelson. Enna Benita Nelson. Esu Amabel Esu. Esu Amabel Esu. We have Esu Ami Esu. Esu Ami Esu. Eswa Cecilia Effiong. Eswa Cecilia Effiong. Ewa Favor Basi. Ewa Favor Basi. Eyong Elizabeth Igbi. Eyong Elizabeth Igbi. Izuma Lembe Zipora. Izuma Lembe Zipora. Mbia Mallory Ane. Mbia Mallory Ane. Ntaji Cynthia Ntisho. Ntaji Cynthia Ntisho. Wabunike Stephanie Chisom. Wabunike Stephanie Chisom. Obeteng Angel Ifere. Obeteng Angel Ifere. Odobi Precious Beyi. Odobi Precious Beyi. Okorie Vera Uzoma. Owo Nkese Basi. Peters Favor Eto. Suleiman Zenzi Chineyemwa. Zenzi Wama. Oh, my Zenzi is going. Udonwa Juan Ekerete. Umana Helen Wanaku. And we'll end with Ayuk Delight Besson. Thank you, sister. Sanitary Prefect, Ewa Favor Basi. Femo. Assistant Sanitary Prefect, Esu Amabel Esu. Esu Amabel Esu. She's not here. Moving forward.
I take that one for myself. Yes, ma'am.
Sacred Heart Dormitory Prefect Eswa Cecilia Effiong. Assistant Achu Patricia Takum, Assistant Sacred Heart Dormitory Prefect. St. Joseph Dormitory Prefect. Odobi Precious Beyi, and Assistant Umana Helen Wanaku. Sports through Social Prefect Edet Mbang Ekpo. Assistant Sports through Social Prefect Okorie Uzoma Vera. Chapel Prefect Egbon Esther Ogenyede. Bros, where is she? Assistant Chapel Prefect Andra Inyang Effiong. Refectory Prefect Mbia Mallory Ane. Amy herself. Assistant Refectory Prefect, Esu, Ami Esu. The engineer. Thank you, Father. That's where we'll end for now. Thank you very much. Thank you. At this Barango Marisol Somete. A round of applause for her. She comes. Where is she? Please, once you're not here, your gift has left you. If there's a mother or father here and you see your daughter being called, you are free to come and stand by the side and snap. It's your own day. You are free to come if you want to. Nobody will stop you from coming. Yes, that's the mother thing. Best in mathematics, Wabunike Joanna Chiamaka.
Wow, congratulations.
Best in mathematics, Wabunike. It's time to take pictures now. No? Wabunike. Best, okay. Best in civic, O2 gift EJ.
Please put your hands
Best in business studies, O2 gift EJ.
Please clap your hands.
Best in Agric, O2 gift EJ.
Again.
Marian Villa students are actually sleeping. You allow one person carry all the gifts.
Mr. Kingsley.
Like you didn't pay school fees.
Mr. Kingsley. It's time for war. In every war, someone must win.
There must be a winner.
If they didn't fight her that well, she won't come out this way. It's too much. Well, I would ask that you please stand one side but don't go. I want to have a break in presentation. Best in PHE, Adam Morin Christopher. Best in PHE, please let us just stand that way. Best in music is also Adam Morin Christopher.
Again.
Best in fine arts. I have two people who fought it out well. I've got two gifts EJ. Best in fine arts. I have two people. I have Godwin Epo Ononuma. Ononuma is there. Now I want to conclude other prizes. Best in home economics. O2 gift EJ. Gift EJ. Best in CRS, O2.
Please put your hands together.
Best in social studies,
Please,
O2.
the rest of you should wake up.
Best in French, O2. Gift EJ.
Wake up, wake up, wake up.
Overall best JS1 class 2018-2019 academic session, O2 gift EJ.
Put your hands together for her. That's good. That's wonderful. Congratulations.
Mrs. Tete.
I can see the class teacher.
My daughter too was a best graduating student in JSS1. So I'm happy I'm happy to continue tradition of giving the best students the sum of 15,000 naira. Step forward, please. Step forward. Step forward. Congratulations.
Please, we want to say, just like it was done the first time, about 3 years ago, a lady started it. I've forgotten her name.
Okay.
Okay, she's here. This is
Etonge.
Songe. And then last year, another lady continued, and she told us that we should not allow this tradition to die with us.
Wow.
And so this year, we came here to continue the same way. So we want to plead with the parents. Next year, we are going to continue with it. So whosoever, like the winner for this year, we want to appeal to you next year. Even if she's not here, you have to come here and appreciate the same student that will win again. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thank you very much. Actually, I instituted that award. That was when my first daughter, Faith, came out as the overall best in JSS Home. So I instituted that award, and it has lived up to the expectation. I pray that Lord, our God will see us through, and more children will tap from this investment and see us through and make us proud in the future. We will continue to live up to that bidding. I promise, as I started the award, I will continue. This is my second daughter, and God has been so faithful. Whoever take over from her, come next section, we will continue to go into the life. Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thank you, thank you,
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You see, it was that fight of last year that brought the next fight now in JS2.
Oh, yes.
Now the JS will peace or none. If you are not here, once you are not here, that gift becomes the property of the school.
Every peace.
Every peace or none. Going number one.
Going.
Every peace or none. Going number two.
Going.
Best in English.
Empty legs. Are you from?
Is the mommy here? Daddy here? Anybody? All right, well done. Best in mathematics. Edom Pearl Divine. Edom Pearl Divine. Is there anybody of the?
Just together for her.
Oh. Even school mothers, okay, the brothers here.
Small mommy.
Even school mothers, you can come out. Best in civic education, Tete Queen Esther Ami Esther Open going one. In basic technology, Tete Queen Esther Patrick.
Again.
Best in business studies, Tete Queen Esther Patrick. Your time will come. Best in agri science, Odu and Obinwa Chioma Fortune. Best in PhD, Obinwa Chioma Fortune.
Let's appreciate.
Let the father of Odu and Besson be proud of. That's the best in PhD, Obinwa Chioma Fortune. Best in home economics, Tete Queen Esther Patrick. Esther Patrick.
Again.
Best in CRS, Tete Queen Esther Patrick.
Oh, please.
I remember last year, but this year, she almost packed up, but this year they are fighting.
Yeah, they are struggling some.
Best in social studies, Odu and Besson. Best in French, Odu and Besson. Mas Agana Mary Confidence. Best in fine art, where is she? Going one. If I don't run now. Okay, the mother is here. Best in fine art. So if you need her to draw you now, she can give a good example of herself. So the mother is here. In presenting just 3 awards. Overall best for the JS2 class 2018-2019 academic session, Tete Queen Esther Patrick.
Please put your hands together for her.
A proud father and mother here. Esther now knows that there is a fight ahead in JS3. Etonga Marian Ndolo.
Again, she has started.
Etonga Marian Ndolo 1.
Etonga
Marian Ndolo 2, Balamican 3.
Mary Cockroach.
Best in mathematics, Egot Ekpolo Martins.
That's good.
Egot Ekpolo Martins 1. Egot Ekpolo Martins 2.
Going.
Okay.
Which school are you from?
Marian Villa.
That is not our uniform.
Best in civic education, Honorable Imela Victoria.
Wow.
I've always said that after
1 and 2.
after JS1 class, the fight has already started.
They've started struggling.
Oh, mommy is here. I know daddy is also here. Best in basic, she can't even believe it. Best in basic technology. So this Eken Queen Mary Efion. Oh. Best in agri, Etonga Marian Ndolo. Best is coming forward, please. Hold on. Best in CRS, Abra Nelly. Best in CRS, Abra Nelly. Oh, she's surprised. She didn't even want me to count. Best in French, Honorable Imela Victoria.
Bonjour.
Honorable Imela Victoria, best in French. Best in music, Abra Nelly. Best in music, Abra Nelly. When you go home, use the French language properly to greet mommy. But I hope you'll be saying things that your mom will understand. Best in business studies, Eken Queen Mary Efion. The class for the 2018-2019 academic session, Etonga Marian Ndolo.
Please put your hands
A
together.
round of applause for her. Best in chemistry,
Wow.
Daniel Esther Nsen.
The children are making
Daniel Esther Nsen, the VP.
the chemist.
This. Best in financial, Precious Emeka. Okay. Oh, the ugly to the queen. Sorry. Yeah. Best in marketing, Energy Gloria Apple.
Okay.
Best in computer, we had a tie. Daniel Esther. Best in civic, there was a tie. O2, Faith O2, and Ebeziamako Vivian Mesoma. Ibeziamako, the mother of Ibeziamako is here. Mommy, please come out in time so that the chairman